Hi, my name is Jay, and I am starting my YouTube channel. I'm a 50-year-old plus guy. As I have begun my journey, and I'm right at the beginning, I know that I have a lot to learn, and I'm excited about that journey and going through and stumbling, as anyone who's trying to learn something new does stumble, because I believe that without failure, you can't really succeed. And only really any true failure is not trying at all. I think one of the biggest things that I've had to try to get over in starting this whole thing is the fear of being seen, feeling exposed, feeling like you're naked out in the open, or just flat out uncomfortable with getting in front of a camera. You build a channel and you submit a video, and that vulnerability that you feel, and you ask yourself, will anybody watch the channel? I don't know. Are they going to critique it and say negative things? Most likely. But I don't care. That's what this journey is all about. And for me, ultimately, if I can build myself up and learning how to do this well, my goal first would be to help anybody understand that they can do it too. I don't know what I'm doing. Quite honestly, that's okay. I don't have a problem with the fact that I don't know exactly what I'm doing yet. Nobody starts professionally ready to go. And so this whole exercise of doing this for me is all about getting over the fear of making that first video. And I think part of that experience is giving yourself the opportunity to experiment and to learn and to improve without the pressure of what anybody thinks about it. It's okay. It's okay to stumble, kind of like I'm doing right now and making this first video. From a personal standpoint, the reason why I want to do a YouTube channel is because I'm interested in making money as a secondary income, if not a full-time income, ultimately, with the intent of sharing with what I learn with other people so that they can also grow and be better and hopefully improve their business, sharing their specialities and what they do in their life and helping people with their talents. I chose YouTube because, well, it's the most popular social platform out there, and it has the long play format that I'm looking into to be able to express my ideas. I've got a lot to say out there. I feel that YouTube is really the best platform for me because that's where you can put a library of your ideas, something you can refer back to 6 months from now, 2 years from now, whenever. It's always there to refer back to. Certainly, some of the side benefits to starting a YouTube channel is building up your skills, having the confidence to speak to a camera, feeling like you're alone, but you're actually speaking to the world, and building up your communication skills, your storytelling skills, building up the confidence in front of the camera, learning how to edit and do research, and teaching those ideas to others in a clear manner. I think that building up those kind of skills can help in so many different parts of any one person's life, helping you with business or relationships or networking, personal growth. I kind of feel that YouTube is going to be my own personal laboratory for self-experimentation, to test myself to see where I can go. As I have a lot of different topics that I'll probably cover on this channel, I want to stay as organic as I can. I don't want AI to overtake. I want to use AI to help me brainstorm video ideas, to help me create outlines. Another reason why I want to start YouTube is just to have a documentation of my journey. Maybe today I'm exploring music production, or my AI creativity, or relationships and communication. Sometimes world events pop up and you want to talk about how they shape society. I want to use this opportunity to widen my perspective on everything and be open to other people's ideas and to listen to people that I may not fully understand or even agree with, but that's okay. I want to hear from other people and to hear their opinions because I believe everybody's opinions do matter and everybody matters in this world, and I think that being open to one another is the best thing that we can be as an example to ourselves as well as other people. I feel it's going to be interesting to have a channel that starts from the beginning because it seems obvious that I'm going to read every comment and probably respond accordingly in the kindest way possible, of course, and have a chance to build a small community and a following, and hopefully they learn to like me and share the ideas that I come up with other people and build that community stronger as time goes on. And the reason I say that is I've had other friends who have started YouTube channels and they've conveyed and shared their ideas, put some of their expertise or shared ideas about something or another, and they get comments back from some of the people that see their videos thanking them for helping them better understand a situation or a technical issue or something, and how beneficial that is to just helping somebody that could use that help. And that in itself, I think, creates a lot of reward. You feel good for doing that, in finding ways to help others succeed. I find that even my regular day job that I have now, in teaching protocol and some of the things that I do, I find it very rewarding to know that I've helped somebody understand a better way of getting something done when they struggle. One of my personal passions is teaching. With that said, I'm in this for the long game. I know that making a few short videos and giving up will never lead to anything. So it's about persistence and making a lot of videos and stumbling in maybe the most dumbest way possible. But who cares? You know? Ultimately, you learn, you grow, you make better videos. My goal is to reach out and doing so in the most natural, human way possible. And, who isn't dubious about AI tools doing everything? Again, it's a tool. Kind of a weird segue, but I was listening to an interview from the keyboard player from Pink Floyd. His name is Richard Wright. And he was talking about the synthesizers in the early 70s when they were creating the Dark Side of the Moon album. And they had this new technology they were going over, and he says, you can really hide behind the machine. You could have all the synthesizers do this wow and magic work for you and create this big sound, but then the machine is doing the work. And he says, use those tools to show your actual art and what you can contribute instead of hiding behind the machine is the way to create good music. I think that's so true. Using AI tools for music in particular, it's amazing what can be done out there, but is that from your heart? Is it from your head? And it's a fine line between having it do it all for you and finding a way to know that you've got your own human imprint on that art. And it's my goal to try to find the best way to use these tools to help make sure that I'm not cheating myself and saying, look, this technology built this music for me, but what contribution do I have? Where is me in this tool? So treading carefully in using tools to help rather than just make it for you. Because at the end of the day, I want to say, yeah, that's me. That's something that I built. I used a tool to help, to expound on my idea, but the core of it comes from me. And I find that to be extremely important as I go forward. And for anybody out there who's considering starting their own YouTube channel, I'm using the most jankiest equipment just to make this video. The only thing that seems to be of somewhat decent quality is a 4K camera. But I'm starting using a 2014 Microsoft Surface Pro. And, that's okay. I don't want to have to go spend, thousands of dollars on new equipment to make myself feel really ready to make a video. What's the point? I just want to record my videos and share my ideas and just see where it leads. I appreciate y'all for taking a moment to listen to what I've had to say today. Be sure to check out the description and the pinned comment below. Thank you much.